That is something else.
So great.
Let's see, I gotta make it tighter. Oh. Okay, that's right. Can you climb on? Okay, I'm gonna show you. Get on. Climb on. Okay. Good job. Put your foot right this one here. I'm gonna put that one right there, and you push it. Push it. Push your foot down.
You kind of have to help him. His feet. He doesn't get it. He tries to go backwards.
That's this, okay? Got it here. That's it. Okay, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Push forward this way. Push this foot this way. Push down.
Judah, look at
Whoa,
you.
whoa.
Whoa.
Be careful. You off.